In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to elevate your online store by using a page builder, specifically focusing on how to use Elementor to edit and customize your WooCommerce cart page. Mastering this process will greatly improve your customers' shopping experience and potentially your sales. So let's get started. First things first, ensure that you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress site. It's an incredibly intuitive tool that provides a visual drag and drop interface, making it accessible even if you're not a seasoned developer. Once you've confirmed that Elementor is ready to go, head over to your WordPress dashboard and locate the page from the WooCommerce settings. From here, identify the cart page, which is the central hub where customers review their selected items before proceeding to checkout. Open this page and select the option to edit it with Elementor. Now you're in the Elementor interface where you have the power to transform the cart page with various design options and widgets. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Elementor sidebar, which houses all the widgets and elements you can use. Here you can drag and drop items like columns, headings, and images onto your page. The great thing about Elementor is that you can see changes in real time, which allows for a truly interactive editing experience. To begin customizing, decide on the desired layout and components you want on your cart page. You might want to rearrange existing elements or add new ones that better fit your branding and user experience. Pay attention to the cart structure, ensuring it remains straightforward so that your customers can easily navigate it. You could opt for a 2-column layout for a cleaner look, or add product images and descriptions to offer more context. Don't forget about the aesthetics. Elementor allows you to adjust colors, typography, and spacing to align with your store's theme. Make use of Elementor's styling tools to ensure that the cart page complements the rest of your site. You might also want to include dynamic elements like buttons and custom notices, which can guide users and optimize for better conversions. Once you have your desired layout and elements placed, take time to review your work thoroughly. Navigate through the page as if you're a customer to identify any potential issues or areas for improvement. It's crucial that the cart page remains functional and intuitive, eliminating any barriers to purchasing. Should you find anything amiss, Elementor makes it easy to tweak those points without starting from scratch. Finally, when you're satisfied with the look and feel of your customized cart page, click the Save Changes button in the Elementor interface. This saves all your hard work and makes it live on your WooCommerce site. And there you have it. By using Elementor, you can create a bespoke cart page that's not only on brand but enhances your customers' shopping experience.